You think a tattoo is just a drawing on your skin? Wrong. It is a medical trauma. Right now, that needle is puncturing your skin up to 3,000 times per minute. It is not painting, it is stabbing. The ink does not stay on the surface. If it did, your tattoo would disappear in 3 weeks, shedding away with your dead skin. The needle must go deeper. It punches through the epidermis and injects the pigment directly into the dermis. This is the layer of nerves and blood vessels. And here, the real war begins. Your body thinks it is being attacked by a virus. The immune system screams, "Invader," and sends an army of defenders. They are called macrophages, the big eaters. They rush to the wound and swallow the ink particles, trying to destroy them. But here is the problem. The pigment particles are too big. The macrophage cannot digest them. It chokes on the ink. The cell dies, but the ink does not. The dead cell becomes a trap, holding the pigment inside its corpse forever. Other macrophages come to clean up, and they get trapped too. So the tattoo you see today is actually a graveyard of millions of dead immune cells, holding on to the ink to protect you. So how do you remove it? With a laser. But it is not an eraser. It is a bomb. The laser heats the ink to thousands of degrees in a split second. The heat shockwave shatters the pigment into tiny dust. Only now can your new white blood cells eat the dust and carry it away to your liver. And finally, you flush your tattoo down the toilet. Think about that. Subscribe to Deep Scope.